everyone, welcome back to Triveni School online classes. I am your maths teacher Ravina Rathi. Now in this class we will discuss about our new topic of mathematics which is included in our NCERT syllabus. So we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction. Obviously you have studied addition and subtraction in previous class, but in this module we will discuss about the addition of 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 7-digit number, students. So up to 4-digit we have discussed in our third class. So we'll start with the 5-digit number. There are two types of addition, that is with the regrouping and without regrouping. So first we will discuss about the without regrouping. Students, suppose you were having 2 bananas with you and your mom gave you 4 bananas extra. So how many bananas now you are having? Obviously you will start addition of the bananas. 2 plus 4, that gives us 6. So this is the addition, students. There are some terms related to addition. First is addends. Addends are the numbers we are adding. So suppose in the previous example we are adding 2 and 4. So what are these 2 and 4? These are addends. And the sum or the answer we are getting after addition is known as sum. Students, like after addition we got 6 bananas. So 6 bananas is our sum, students. So these are the terms related to addition. For subtraction, students, when we are subtracting or minus the numbers, the answer we get is known as difference. Suppose you are having 12 pencils with you and your sibling came and she asked you to give her 2 pencils. Now how many pencils you are left with? 10. So how you got the answer? 12 minus 2, because 2 you gave to your sibling and 10 are left with you. So the answer we got 10 is the difference. So this is the subtraction, student. I hope you have understood about the addition and subtraction. So let's move towards our topic without wasting time. Here we are having addition of 5-digit numbers. This is about without regrouping. The first step you need to add is to arrange the numbers under their place values. You already know, you have studied in numbers class that how place value of 5 digits are arranged. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this is up to the 5-digit number. So start writing the number from right hand side. This number 8, 5, 3, 1, 4. So what is this number? 41,358, student. Now second number is 32,641. So start writing the number from the right hand side. 2, 3. Now add. You will start adding the numbers from the right hand side or from the ones place, the numbers you are having. You may be having here 3 numbers, 4 numbers or 5 numbers. How many numbers you can add? So now 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 4, which gives us answer 9. Now we will move towards the 100 place digit. 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So after addition we got the answer 73,999. So these two numbers here are representing the addends and the answer we got is the sum, students. So now this was about the 5-digit number without regrouping. Now we are moving towards addition of 6-digit number without regrouping. Here we are having 6-digit number. You already knows about the place values, that lakh place increased in the 6-digit. So this is 3,21,053, 2,14,610, 2,11,124. So start arranging the number from right hand side. 3, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 6, 4, 1, 2. 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now add. So already I have told you how many number you can add. So here we are having 3 numbers. So start adding them. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Now add the tens place digit. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So after adding, we got 7,46,787. So these are representing a 10 student, and the answer we got is the sum. Now we are moving ahead, that is addition of 7-digit numbers. So in 7-digit number, place value increase, that is 10 lakh. So start arranging the number. We are having 41,32,470, 36 lakh 15,000, 51,232. So start adding, arranging them, and then we will add 7, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 6. So here we were having a digit extra. So we will add this. 7 plus 2 will give us answer as 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. And 4 plus 6, 10. So this was about without regrouping, student. Now let's move towards with regrouping. So now let's take an example of 5-digit number with regrouping, students. Here we are having 32,145 and 68,932. We need to add these numbers. Similarly, we will start from the ones digit or the from right hand side. 5 plus 2 will gives us 7. 4 plus 3 will gives us 7. 1 plus 9 gives us 10. So in 10 we will write the ones place digit here, that is 0, and the tens place digit will move as carry or towards left hand side digit, students. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8 will gives us 11. In 11 we will write ones or unit place digit here, that is 1, as tens place digit will move as carry towards the left hand side of the digit. So 1 plus 3 gives us 4. 4 plus 6 gives us 10. So we got our answer or sum as 1,01,077, students. Now let's take an example of addition of 6 digit in regrouping, that is 7,21,846 and 3,21,032, 6,12,413, students. You have to add all these three numbers. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3 will gives us 11. In 11, what is the unit place? 1. And what is the tens place? 1. So tens place digit will move as carry here. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 4 will gives us 12. In 12, what is the unit or ones place digit? 2. So tens digit will move as carry towards left hand side. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5, students. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 60. So we got our sum as 1 crore 65 lakh 5,291, students. Now addition of 7-digit number with regrouping. We have 43,63,187 and 63,21,485. So 7 plus 5, 12. In 12 units place digit is 2 and 1 is carry. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. In 17, what is the units place, student? 7. And what is the tens place? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 6, 10, student. So this is our sum, students. Now let's discuss some properties of addition, students. We will discuss the properties here only. So first one is when 0 is added to any number, any of the number, either it can be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. So our answer will be the number itself. Let's take an example when we are having 2,138 and we add 0 to it, our answer will be 2138 only. So 0 does not change the sum, students. Now when we add two number, we can add in any of the order. You can write any one number first on the first place. Suppose we are adding 2000 and 8000. It will gives us the answer as 10,000, student. You can also add 8,000 and 2,000. Your answer will be 10,000 only. It means the order does not, you can change the order. In addition, your answer will be same. You can also take one example. When you are adding 2 and 3, your answer is 5 only. And when you are adding 3 plus 2, your answer is 5 only. So order does not change the sum, students. Now when we are adding 10 to any number, so when we are adding 10 to any number, the number or the sum we get will change its tens digit from one digit only. So let's take an example. We are having 21,323. So we are adding 10 to it. So its tens digit is increased by 1. So our answer will be 21,333. So let's discuss when we add 100 to any number. So when we add 100 to any number, the sum is changed from 100 place digit. Now let's take an example. 43,812. So when we are adding 100 to it, it's 100 place will change by, will increased by 1. So our answer will be 43,912, student. So like this, when we are adding 1000 to any number, the 1000 place digit is increased by 1. So this was the property of addition. Now we will discuss about the subtraction, student. So students, let's discuss about the subtraction. Subtraction, as we have discussed, that answer we get after subtracting is known as difference, students. So now a smaller number can be subtracted from larger number only. We cannot subtract larger number from the smaller number. So let's discuss first without regrouping. So for the step will be arrange a number in under their place values, and you will start subtracting from right hand side or the ones place or unit place, student. You will first subtract the ones place digit, then you will subtract the tens place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. So first we will subtract 5 digit number. We are having here 71,281 and 93,493. So we will subtract. When from is written, students, you will write the number which is written after from above, and the number which is written before from you will write under that number. So 3 minus 1 will gives us 2, 9 minus 8 1, 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2, 9 minus 7 2. So this is our difference, students. What is the difference? 22,212. So now subtraction of 6 digit, students. Here we are having 8,34,378, 9,56,489. So we will subtract 8,34,378 from 9,56,489. So we will start subtracting from ones place. So 9 minus 8 will gives us 1, 8 minus 7 will gives us 1, 4 minus 3 will gives us 1, 6 minus 4 will gives us 2, 5 minus 3 will gives us 2, 9 minus 8 will gives us 1, students. So our answer will be 1,22,111. So this is our difference, students. Now let's discuss about the subtraction of 7 digit number. Here we are having 98,75,478. We need to subtract this number from 99,87,689. So we will write the number which is written after from above and the number which is written before from under. So now 9 minus 8 will gives us 1, 8 minus 7 will gives us 1, 6 minus 4 will gives us 2, 7 minus 5 will gives us 2, 8 minus 7 will gives us 1, 9 minus 8 will gives us 1, 9 minus 9 will gives us 0, student. And when we are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer does not change, the answer will be remain same. So our difference is here 1,12,211, student. So this was about without regrouping. So we will discuss about with the regrouping. So students, let's discuss about the subtraction of 5 digit with regrouping. So here we are having 41,363. We have to subtract this from 86,432, students. So let's subtract. Arrange the number. Here we cannot subtract 3 from 2 because 3 is greater than 2. So what we will do, we will take a carry or borrow from this, and this will become 12, and after giving carry to one's place, it will become 2. So we will subtract this 3 from 12. So after subtracting 3 from 12, we will get 9 as answer, and it will become 2. And we need to subtract 6 from 2, but this cannot be subtracted as 6 is greater than 2. So what we will do, we will take another carry from 100 place. So it will become 3 and it will become again 12. So now we will subtract 6 from 12. So 12 minus 6 will gives us 6, and 3 minus 3 will gives us 0, students. Now 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. So now our difference is 45,069. Let's take another example of 6-digit number with regrouping. We are having 2,43,216. We have to subtract this from 3,12,305, students. So we have arranged the number. We will start subtracting from ones place. We cannot subtract 6 from 5 as 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do, we will take a carry, but here is 0. So we can not take a carry or borrow from 0. So we will move towards left hand side towards 100 place. So it will become 2. This will give carry to ones digit only, student. So it will become 15, and after giving carry to this will become 9, because to move towards ones digit or to give the carry to ones place, it have to pass from the tens place, student. So it will we will subtract 6 from 15. It will gives us 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Here we cannot again subtract 3 from 2, so it will become 12 after taking carry from this. After giving carry, 1 will become 0. So 12 minus 3 will gives us 9. As we cannot subtract 4 from 0, we will take another carry from lakh place. It will gives the carry and it will become 10. So 10 minus 4 will gives us 6. 2 minus 2 will give 0. So our difference or the answer we get is 69,089. So now let's subtract 7-digit number. Here we are having 41,67,689. You need to subtract this from 74,53,881. So we have arranged the number, so start subtracting. We cannot subtract 9 from 1, so what we will do? We will take a carry. It will become 11 and it will become 7. 11 minus 2, 11 minus 9 will gives us answer 2. So here is 7 and here is 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 7. So what we will do? We will take again a carry from 100 place digit. So 17 minus 8 will gives us answer as 9, and then we will subtract 6 from 7 and our answer will be 1. So here we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So we will take a carry from 10,000 place. So it will become 4 and it will become 13. So 13 minus 7 will gives us answer as 6. Now again we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we will take a carry, it will become 14. 14 minus 6 will gives us 8, and 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. So this is our difference, student, 32,86,192. Now let's discuss some 2-3 properties of subtraction, student. So here are some properties related to subtraction, student. First one is when we subtract 0. So students, as we have discussed while subtracting also, when we are subtracting 0 from any number, our answer will be the number itself. Suppose we are subtracting 0 from 7. So our answer will be 7 only. So next is when we subtract same numbers. So when we are subtracting same numbers, our answer will be 0. Suppose we are subtracting 23 from 23. So our answer will be 0 only. When we subtract 1 from any number. So when we subtract 1 from any number, the numbers digit of 1's place will be decreased by 1. In addition case, it increases. In subtraction case, it decreases. Let's take an example. When we are subtracting 1 from 998, our answer will be 997. So here 1's place digit is decreased by 1. In the same case, when we are subtracting 10 from any number, our 10's place digit will be decreased by 1. In 100th case, our 100th place digit will decrease by 1. In 1000 case, our 1000th place digit will decrease by 1. So student, this was about addition and subtraction. This will also help you to solve your word problems. I hope you all understood this session. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.